Alright folks, been having some fun, as they call it, or not. At the moment, I can't get that to work, but I've got the Windsprint ROMs in this machine, just make sure they work, and they seem to be okay. Obviously lamps and stuff. Because I've got a working a working CPU, and it's not not having it. So I was starting to think that there's a problem with the ROMs. That's obviously a 4p win or something, I don't know. Maybe another one. Yeah, there you go. So, doesn't really prove it. Well, it proves that the ROMs seem to be working, but no ROMs are working. This one, not even the Fruit King ROMs won't even. So anyway, I keep searching. I've got to start thinking it's something to do with the power supply. There's something different. Obviously, there's something different with that bridge rectifier and having this. Might be something to do with it. Might be a slightly different loom. It's a slightly different loom, so something's not working for that. Anyway. I won't be doing much more though because I've got nights. But we don't give up. We never give up. This will run. It will run at some point. I mean, that's been changed, but I've got a feeling the original's working anyway. I've got a few more down there. There is definitely a problem with the CPU card, 100%. That's it. I've changed the RAMs and the CPU itself, but this is still not. Well, this is not working. This wouldn't work. Fruit King. So there is a problem with that. That's fine. That's okay. That's, you know, it is what it is. That's fine. So obviously I've got a working one in here. I put that in there, and it's not working in there. It comes up with 40. So anyway, we carry on. See you in a bit.